Okay guys, so I am cleaning my truck out like never before. Super fast. The tow truck is coming. Oh, so I don't know how I'm gonna get home. Two of my guys are working. So, oh my goodness, I do have cables. Oh, I didn't know that I had cables. Let me see. I thought when this lady helped me and she had a halo. And I'm like, I swear I have cables. I know I brought some. There they are. But it's not the battery. So I'm just gonna keep my cleaning stuff, I think, in here. Not worried about anybody taking it. But now I know I have cables. So yeah, luckily I have insurance, right? I have insurance so that the tow truck can help you. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but yeah, it's not the battery. Something else is going on. So don't know how I'm gonna get home. I'm probably gonna walk or see if the tow guy will give me a ride. We'll see what happens.